Hi students, welcome to Maths Time. From the 10th Maths and in the Circles chapter, from the first exercise, today we are going to solve third and fourth problem. The third problem is a tangent PQ at a point P on a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at point Q so that OQ equal to 12 cm and length PQ is, you have to find the answer, and for that 4 options are there: 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 8.5 and square root of 111 centimeter. So the question is, first we will try to draw the diagram. A tangent PQ at a point P means this is a circle and P is the point of contact of the tangent, means here tangent is drawn. P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So OP is radius and the length of radius is 5 centimeter, and this radius, tangent meets a line through the center O at a point Q. Means OP is radius, PQ is tangent, and a line from the center O joins this point Q of the length 12 centimeter. So length of PQ, you have to find the length of tangent. So for that we will draw a diagram, and this will become OPQ is a triangle, join OQ. So for finding PQ, we know that the theorem, the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So this is contact, means OPQ, this is 90 degree. So given is PQ tangent, OP is radius 5 centimeter, OQ 12 centimeter, it is given, you have to find out PQ. And we know that OP is perpendicular to PQ tangent. P is 90 degree. Then OQ is hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, OP square plus PQ square equal to OQ square. So substitute the values, we know OP is 5, PQ we have to find out, OQ is 12. That is PQ square equal to 12 square minus, transfer this 5 square to RHS. 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. 144 minus 25 is 119. So PQ square equal to 119. As 119 has not perfect square root, we will write PQ equal to 119 centimeter square. So the option is D option. D option is the right answer. Next, fourth question is, draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is tangent and other is secant to the circle. First we have to draw the circle with some center O. Then you have to draw two lines. So how they are? They are parallel to the given line. So suppose this is L is a given line exterior to the circle, and such that how this line is such that one is tangent and other is secant to the circle. So we have to draw two lines. So first one is, it should be tangent. Tangent means this should be parallel. The condition is two lines parallel to the given line. So whatever we draw tangent and secant, they should be parallel to AB. We may draw tangent here also like this, but this is not parallel to this tangent. So we have to draw a line such that like this. This is L1 or PQ. This is a tangent at point R. And next one is secant. Secant means a tangent when it cuts the circle at 2 points. So this is also secant, should be parallel to the given line. So given line is AB. So you have to draw a secant parallel to this line, means you draw here another line. This is a secant. Secant means it intersects the circle at 2 points. That is at point A, at point B. So this is the 4.1 exercise completes. And next there are some important concept and one theorem is there before starting the next exercise. So suppose this is a circle and P is a point outside the circle, and A and B are the points on the circle. So first one is number of tangents from a point on the circle. So at this point A and B, and from this point P, how many tangents we can draw? That is the first main point from an external point of a circle. This is circle, P is an external point. From this point, two tangents can be drawn to the circle. From this point, one is PB and another is PA. Only two tangents can be drawn from the given circle, from the given point. Suppose if we draw another tangent, it will intersect here. Only one tangent can be drawn from the one point of contact. So, and these two tangents are equal in length. That is PA equal to PB. So, this is a theorem. Later we will prove that. And next, second point is the number of tangents to a circle. This is a circle. P is exterior point, and from P point, PQ one tangent and PR is one tangent drawn. So what is the main point concept here? There is no tangent passing through a point lying inside the circle. Suppose A is the point inside the circle. Suppose this is a circle, this part is interior of the circle, and this is the exterior of the circle. The last statement is there is no tangent passing through a point lying inside the circle. Means if one side is inside the circle, we cannot draw any tangent, because tangent is what? Tangent just touches the circumference of the circle. Next point is there is only one tangent passing through a point lying on the circle. Suppose R is a point, Q is a point. We have drawn here two tangents. From point of contact R, we can draw only one tangent. So this is the second point. And there are exactly two tangents through a point lying outside the circle. If understand the difference, from a circle, from a point of a contact on the circle, only one tangent can be drawn. And another one is if there is an external point outside the circle, from this circle we can draw two tangents. This one PR and PQ. Understand the difference? On the circle and outside the circle. So this is the tangents of the circles statements, and based on this there is one important theorem, that is the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So this is also important theorem. The statement states that if P is a point outside the circle and the tangents are drawn to the circle, that is PQ is drawn and PR is drawn, so we have to prove PQ equal to PR. The lengths of the tangents PQ and PR from an external point P to a circle are equal. So we have to prove PR equal to PQ. These are the tangents. So given is radius OR and OQ radius are also equal, and P is external point, PQ and PR are tangents. Proof. Now when we join the lines and we will see the two triangles, that is first one is OPQ and OPR. Suppose if we prove that these two triangles are congruent, and by CPCT these two sides are equal. So how shall we prove? In triangle OQP and ORP. So this is ORP. OQ equal to OR, because these are radius of the circle. So these are equal. Next OP. OP is common side to the both triangles. That is, you have to write common side. Two sides are equal. See again here we know that OQ radius is perpendicular to the tangent. That is OQ is perpendicular to PQ, means this angle equal to 90 degree. Similarly, in this triangle, OR is radius and this radius is perpendicular to the tangent PR, that is R equal to 90 degree. That is angle OQR equal to angle OR P equal to 90 degree. That because OQ is perpendicular to PQ, you have to write the reasons in the bracket, and OR is perpendicular to PR. Therefore, by which postulate? SAS postulate, which triangles OQP is congruent to triangle ORP. So when we have proved these two triangles are congruent, what we need? PR and PQ have to prove. PR and PQ are the corresponding sides. Therefore, by CPCT, PR equal to PQ. This means we have to write the statement: the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Thank you.